Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10. Today we'll be sharing our first ever submission for our Fast Trucks Matter competition. Dr. Art's Hot Rod Rehab has sent us some information about their Little Red 86 Ford Ranger that's powered by a 5.3 LS and a 78mm turbo. It features a turbo 400 transmission with 373 rearing gears and a spool. Art stops the clock at a 7.0 flat at 101 mile per hour in the 8th mile, and his total investment is $5,000. So let's check it out in action.
This guy?
Alright guys, if you are not already a subscriber to Dr. Art's Hot Rod Rehab, please go check them out. And as always, please like and subscribe.